Since you have been learning Igbo, let me test your knowledge in Igbo language. Gịnị bụ to come in Igbo?
Ibia.
Ibia. To eat.
Iri.
Iri. To eat food.
Iri.
Iri. To give.
Inye.
Inye. What of to call, as in to make phone call? Ikpo. Okay, ikpo oku ekwenti. Wow, okay, you tried. Okay, to go. Iga mobo. Ije. Okay. To learn. Imuta. Dalo. Imuta. To dance. Igba egwu. What of to run? What of to read? Ego. To read book. Ego akwụkwọ. Okay, you really tried. I mere nke ọma, daalụ rinne. Ngwa kọrọ onwe gị aka.